Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Salsabila. In this video, I want to explain about my result analysis about politeness analysis on netizen comment in the style framework program post on X. Okay, let's to the background. I choose to analyze comment in a post related to the style framework program because this phenomenon is currently being discussed and many forms of digital communication are full of emotions and often do not consider manner of the feelings of the other party. In the comment sections, many social media users criticize the program in a sarcastic tones, even directly attacking the organizer. Patterns such as insult, reproaches, ridicule, and disparaging comments indicate a violation of the principle of politeness, especially in the form of a face-threatening act or FTA that damage positive face, namely the individual needs to be appreciated, recognized, and accepted positively by others. And in the form of bolt-on record, which is conveyed bluntly. And this context is interesting to analyze because it reflects how public opinion is often conveyed frontally and does not consider the social or psychological impact on the criticized party. In ideal communications, the speaker is supposed to keep the other person positive face. However, in the free and anonymous reality of cyberspace, these norms are often ignored. Let's to the first comment. Is a basi dan keracunan, apa harus nunggu ada yang mati? I think it is a face-threatening act because it directly threatens the face of the organizer of this framework program who allegedly served stale food. Then threaten positive face because the word basi and keracunan highlight the failure of service, directly attacking the positive identity of the program organizer as those who intend to provide assistance. In addition, this sentence make it clear that the organizers are incompetent, careless, and do not care about safety of others. Then including bold on record, because the comment is direct and sharp. Besides that, there is no attempt to diffuse or discuss criticism with a polite sentence. Second comment is a MBG, sama dengan masakan babi gila. It is a face-threatening act because directly threatens the face of the organizer and threatens positive face because this comment directly denigrates the food as well its maker. Then the phrase masakan babi gila implies that the food is unfit for consumption, disgusting, and contains a meaning of contempt for the food provided. Then the sentence also shows an attitude of harassment towards the good intention of the organizer of the framework program, so it can be considered a form of or unpolite. Besides that, this comment include bold on record because delivered directly without preamble and contains hard or sensitive words. There is no attempt to filter the language or keep the listener feelings in a check. And the third komentar is a program bodoh dari pemerintah bodoh with tag the account Prabowo and Gibran. It is a face-threatening act because threaten the positive base because this comment directly insults the government program and directly insults an individual by mentioning the word bodoh with the tag the account Prabowo and Gibran. Then the comment include bold on record because it is delivered directly with the use of harsh words and without any attempt at a politeness. And the fourth comments, udah stop program gak jelas ini, buang-buang anggaran AJG. It is a face-threatening act that threatens positive face because the word program gak jelas and buang-buang anggaran show a condescending attitude as if the efforts made are of no value. The use of the harsh word AJG also emphasizes that the comments do not consider the feeling or image of the intended party. Then the comments including bold on recode because it's directly frontal delivery without any politeness strategy. Fifth comment is bocah-bocah yang gak tahu apa-apa dijadiin bahan eksperimen pemerintah sendiri, dasar negeri bobrok. It is a face-threatening act because it threatens the positive face because here the government is portrayed as cruel and immortal for treating children as object of experimentations. In addition, words such as dasar negeri bobrok are a form of blunted insult that denigrates state institutions. Then the comments include bold on record because it's delivered directly without preamble and without the use of suitable or polite words. In addition to the fact that the opinion is delivered frontally with a sharp and emotional language style without considering the social impact or feeling of the intended party. In the sixth comment, ini uang-uang rakyat loh, dihambur-hamburkan begitu saja, terus masih mau ditambah-tambah tanpa koreksi, gila memang. It is a face-threatening act that threatening positive face because this comment, the government or program managers are accused of wasting public funds and not conducting evaluation, which indirectly implies that they are irresponsible and not worthy of trust. The praise gila memang reinforce the sense of humiliation and show that the commentator does not respect the criticized party. Then the comments including bold on record because it's criticized in a firm and a blunt way without any dampening words. In the seventh comment is menyediakan makan dalam jumlah porsi yang banyak dalam waktu relatif singkat sudah tentu sulit, bisa menimbulkan banyak masalah. Lebih baik program MBG disalurkan lewat masing-masing orang tua murid terutama yang tidak mampu dengan dukungan pihak sekolah. It is a face-saving act because maintain a positive face, then the comments delivers criticism in a subtle and a constructive manner. The comment writer is aware of the potential problems in the implementations of the premium program, but still maintains the honor of the organizer by not using harsh or demeaning language. Instead, offers an alternative solutions that is more effective, which is to channel the assistant directly to the parents of student in need with support from the school. And the comment there is a positive politeness strategy because it's conveyed in a way that show respect, cooperation, and attention to the other parties, especially the government or program organizer. And the eighth comment is setiap usaha pasti menghadapi tantangan. Semoga kejadian ini menjadi bahan evaluasi untuk meningkatkan kualitas ke depan. Lanjutkan MBG dengan standar yang lebih baik. It is a face-saving act because that maintain a positive pace, because delivered in a way that maintains the honor and a positive image of the program organizer, and comments do not blame or demean but rather acknowledge that every business must face challenge which is show empathy and understanding of the situation and provide recognition, moral support, then encouragement to continue the program with a better quality. And then there is the comment, there is positive politeness strategy, character by support and hope for improvement through sentence such as semoga kejadian ini menjadi bahan evaluasi. And lanjutkan MBG dengan standar yang lebih baik. The strategy shows that the writer still appreciates the good intentions and effort that have been made and conveys feedback in a polite and constructive manner. In 9 comment is pembikin Gaduh Negeri ini aslinya dari program pemerintah sendiri. With the tag Prabowo account, it is a face-threatening act because the comment is a trait the positive face, then attacks the good image of Prabowo and the government by stating the chaos in the country comes from their own program. The accusation directly damages the reputation, credibility, and goodwill that the government or Prabowo as a public figure has been trying to display. It is humiliating from the intended party, especially when it is delivered publicity by tagging the official Prabowo account, which is further strengthens the attack on his social image. In the last comment, we tag Prabowo account with words penjahat kemanusiaan, then tag the Gerindra account with the word sarang penjahat. It is a face-threatening act because by calling Prabowo a criminal of humanity or penjahat kemanusiaan, the author of the comment not only dehumanize him personality, but also labels him a very serious criminal in the context of international morals and law. Meanwhile, calling Gerindra dan of criminal or sarang penjahat not only damage the reputation of the political party but also casts all its members as a part of an evil, corrupt, or dangerous group. So, this comment threatens the positive base. For the result or conclusions, the study found that in netizen comments on the premier program on social media X, many forms of manipulation appear through the use of face-threatening act or FTA strategies, especially to the form of bold on record. A total of 8 comments were identified as using the strategy directly without considering the elements of politeness, while only 2 comments used the face-shaping act or FSA strategy which consider more harmony in a communications. This reflects the tendency of netizens to criticize openly and without mitigation, which can trigger conflict or misunderstanding in the digital public's atmosphere. Based on the findings, it is recommended the social media user be wiser in casting language strategy when delivering criticism, prioritizing politeness and empathy. In addition, it is important to increase language awareness through digital literacy education so that interaction on social media remains productive, polite, and do not harm other parties. Maybe that's enough for my analysis result. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.